Question 8. Determine the perimeter and area of the triangle whose vertices are the origin and x and y intercepts of the line. Okay, so a line is given to us and we need to find the area and perimeter. So let's try to sketch this kind of a thing, right? Now here what we can do is we can actually cross multiply and write this equation in standard form if you want. Or you can also do from here. You know the slope is 3 and 2. That's the direction vector, correct? And the point is 6 and minus 8. So you can do from there 6 and minus 8 and the slope. Or what you can do is you can cross multiply and see what you get. So if you cross multiply, you get minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 6 is plus 12 equals to 3 times y plus 24. And then we can bring down x and y terms together and we'll leave the numbers here. So we'll bring 24 on this side, so it becomes minus 24 plus 12 equals 2. We'll bring 2x here, 2x plus 3y. Now from this equation we can find x-intercepts and the y-intercepts, correct? So when we brought this here, let's check. Minus 2x, 3, 24, that's all correct and perfect. So this is minus 12 equals to 2x plus 3y, correct? Now what is the x-intercept? For x-intercept we'll put y equals to 0. So x-intercept is y equals to 0. So we say y equals to 0 and find the x-intercept. So which will be x equals to minus 12 divided by 2, which is minus 6. So the x-intercept is minus 6 and 0, right? And what is the y-intercept? For y-intercept, we'll put x equals to 0. So when I put x equals to 0, I get minus 12 equals to 3y. And minus 12 divided by 3 is minus 4. So minus 4 is my y value. So my y-intercept is 0 minus 4, correct? So these are my x and y intercepts. So simple, right? From this equation, you just hide this number and divide to get the y-intercept, which is minus 4. So let's say this is, okay, the minus 4 is here. Okay, so we'll say, so the line is, and the x-intercept is minus 6. So we have something like this, right? So we say this is minus 4 for us and that is minus 6 for us, correct? Now, so we know these two sides and the perimeter we can always find. Area of the triangle is half base times height. Base is 6 and height is 4, right? When you're talking about dimensions, they're all positive, correct? So it is area is half 6 times minus 4 will be taken positive because dimensions are always positive, correct? So we get 6 times 4, 24 divided by 2 is 12 unit square, correct? Whatever the unit is, 12 unit square. And to find the perimeter, we need to find the hypotenuse, which is 4 square plus 6 square square root, right? So which is 4 square is 16 plus 6 square is 36 square root, correct? And when you do the square root, you get 6 plus 6 as 12, 2 and 5 square root 52, right? Now which is 13 times 4, so we can say 2 square root 13, okay. So we could reduce it like this, correct? So the perimeter here is 4 plus 6. So this is, so the perimeter is 4 plus 6 plus 2 square root 13. Correct? I think that's okay, and we can write this as 10 plus 2 square root 13 units. So that is how you can do this problem, right? So I think that should be okay. So the key issue here is to find x and y intercepts. And this is a right angle triangle, correct? So half base into height gives you the area. Base is this and height is this. Perimeter is sum of all the sides, correct? You use Pythagorean theorem to find this length, okay? So that's how it is. Thank you.